Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Last year, Samsung announced a partnership with Qualcomm for high-end smartphone chips. Despite this, Samsung continued developing its own Exynos chips. Now, rumors suggest Samsung might use Exynos chips for the entire Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, however, are expected to use Qualcomm Snapdragon chips. The more affordable Galaxy A series may use chips from MediaTek and Samsung. The rumored Exynos 2500 chip is expected to be impressive, with optimizations for Galaxy phones and a 3nm fabrication process. It's even rumored to be faster than Apple's chips. However, it's important to take these rumors with a grain of salt as they haven't been confirmed by other sources. If true, this raises questions about Samsung's strategy, especially since Snapdragon chips were used exclusively for the Galaxy S23 series. The debate between Exynos and Snapdragon chips continues among smartphone enthusiasts. What do you think about this news? Let me know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.